Dear Braun, our relationship began 5 years ago. We met on a Monday night at Rite Aid. I remember that night you made me feel like a man, a child no more. You used to be dependable and smooth, but now you're neither one of those things. You hurt me, and the once smooth moves you made are now rough along the edges. I am tired of waking up in the morning only to be disappointed with what I see. I once used to enjoy your size and that it was so big, but now I only see it as a hassle. I know it is corny, but it truly isn't you, it's me. I need something small that I can have a better grip on. With that said, after 5 years of being together, it is time to say goodbye. You used to always treat me well, but well isn't cutting it. I need to be treated perfectly. At first, we had wonderful times together, and you always made me feel special and look smooth. Towards the end, though, it became painful to be with you. I am sure that you will find someone else to be with, but one thing is for certain, that person won't be me. I don't want to say that there is someone else, but there is. Her name is Gillette, and she is smooth and forms perfectly with me. We can be one and the same, and she makes me look good. I feel like I did when we were first together. I hope that one day you will be as happy as we are. Best of luck in the years to come, Cameron.